Welcome home. We left the light on for you. You walk in. This just came on the market today. Kind of unique design. We've got, it's 1 or 2 bedrooms. Looks like they put them together to make a bigger room. Mother-in-law suite connected right here, close to the full bathroom, shower. Got the garage. Got a media room or a bedroom, either way. 2 closets there. Formal dining room. Living room. Here's the primary room here. A tub, stand-up shower. Ceiling fan. Then you have the laundry room down here. Kitchen. Stove, pantry, refrigerator. This little part smells like redwood. Smells good. Had a little game room for the kiddos. Walk out here on the side. It's got a little storage area. Hey, if you need information about this home or others, or need help moving, call us.